to CVTV. I'm Mikey Mavis.
Hi, and I'm Jack Diedrich.
Let's get into the news. Our first story tonight is on the ongoing forestry efforts throughout the peninsula. With no campers, the Camp Voyager staff has accelerated the balsam removal timeline, following along with the official, unofficial Forestry Plan 2.0 draft, sections 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, which have been completed, with sections 2, 3, and 4, and 5 left to complete.
Let's go to our CVTV correspondent, Charlie Turbo Erdman, for a live update on the official, unofficial Forestry Plan 2.0 draft.
Well, not too bad. Here we are with a few piles that we put out here tonight on less windy nights. We can burn. Other nights we got to stage. Other days we got to stage. It's going to be windy. We got some other stuff over there. We got some guys coming to pick it up. Otherwise, some nights we'll be out here burning it. We're on 0.01. This is 0.01 that we're burning here. But Alex has made it through 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and 1.4 all the way up to the basketball court. And they have been over there clearing certain spots, caging and planting and caging trees. So they're making a lot of progress.
Well, you heard him. It's going. And in other news, the swim area has received a makeover, including newly painted lemons and a new raft.
I can't wait for campers to break that one as well. You may have noticed we have a new counselor here at CV. Let's check in on Jack, see how he's adapting to camp life with no campers.
Yeah, everyone here is taking quarantine like super seriously. I don't think anyone's talked to me in like a week.
He sounds like he's doing quite all right.
In other news, we received this Birchbark Letter from Wandering Elk, but wanted to wait to open it on air. Let's see what he says. Hi gang, Wandering Elk here. I am planning on paddling down the Cowishiwi River sometime this summer, and plan on making a stop at CV. I know I'm a bit late, but I have some moccasins and bone-handled knives to deliver to y'all.
Look at that! I may have finally get my bone-handled knife. What a shame he's coming to camp the 1 year campers are not here. How unfortunate.
Unfortunate is right. And on an unfortunate and even somber note, we have some more unfortunate news to report. Camp Voyager counselor Kyle Montgomery has broken the beloved 70.
That's right! We have heard from sources that she is really broken this time, with no chance of repair. If you would please join us for a moment of silence to celebrate our beloved 70.
She lived!
Well, it sure sounds like he fixed it. Let's go live to the field to see how he did it.
Well, it was really a minor fix. You know, nothing a little elbow grease couldn't fix. A little throttle reassembly, some seafoam in the gas tank for some good luck. I changed out the spark plugs, the fuel filter, the pipe. And when I say I did it, I really mean John Erdman did it, because I just watched the entire time. But she works. Purrs like a kitten.
Well, some tragic news with a wonderful ending. We have been doing a lot of maintenance around here, including painting cabin floors the exact same shade of light gray they have always been.
But the cabin floors aren't the only thing that has been painted on the peninsula. We also have painted many of the porches throughout camp, including, but not limited to, the mess hall porch and the trip hut porch. But this time, we didn't use the same color, and trust us, you will be able to see the difference.
In other news, army worms have invaded the Camp Peninsula, spreading their worminess and taking over the trees, kind of like coronavirus. This photo on your screen at home is taken by one of our field reporters. Look at those army worms, with no concern for the peninsula, squatting on those trees. Despicable.
Inconceivable. Real quick, a word from one of our sponsors.
Mosquito Flogger. You have a lot of mosquitoes, our product literally will do nothing for you. But you got an armyworm infestation, this will take care of it. Our product made of hypermasculine bodybuilder sweat and the saltiest quotes from Alex Quanley will take care of them. Mosquito Flogger. Find out your local hardware store.
On another note, all current counselors have made half-court shots at the Camp Voyager basketball court, and we have reached out to Widgie to arrange a mixer dance type dealio sometime this summer. This is a developing story, and we'll get back to you as soon as the situation unfolds. In other news, the Camp Voyager staff took a break from chopping down balsams and hit Farm Lake for a bit of tubing. New counselor Jack is a pro, finally defeating my own personal move. That tube maneuver gets every camper. It's called the Mikey Special.
Speaking of the Mikey Special, Counselor Kyle Montgomery has learned how to roof and worked on the tool shed and staff head, only he isn't very good at it.
I can see that.
With no campers here to occupy the cabins, local resident and celebrity spider Chungus Humongous has taken up residence in Cabin 8. Although displaying a high degree of lethargy, his beauty and regal presentation cannot be ignored, and we are here to celebrate it.
Now we head on over to the trip director Alex Quanley for a little segment we like to call Can You Not?
The sheep bend is a simple knot we can use to tie two ropes together. So if your rope is frayed, you can use a lighter just to kind of, with parental supervision, just to sort of melt the ends together so it doesn't get much worse. Let it cool. And then what you want to do is make a loop with one rope, come under and into that loop with the other, around the base of the loop, and you take that end, and you don't want to go back into the loop, you actually want to go between that original loop and that second rope. Tie, pull them tight, and there you have a sheep bend.
Well, thanks for that, I guess, Alex. I guess I can now not.
Both alumni and camper signups for our virtual 8-week program are coming in strong, setting the stage for the possibility of the first ever Camper vs. Alumni Olympics. Please message us on social media or email Alex at tripdirector@campvoyager.com to sign up. The rumor on the peninsula is there is a possibility of getting plaques this year.
In other news, this week's virtual programming, we've got Camp Voyager Classic Icebreaker, 2 truths and 1 lie, along with Bill's Word of the Week to keep you entertained at home. Head on over to FlipGrid and sign up with your Gmail account and enter code CVWeek1. That's CVWeek1, no space, no capitals, with the number 1, CVWeek1. Make sure you type that in on FlipGrid to participate.
Wow, that sounds really interesting. Can you tell me more?
Start by going to www.flipgrid.com/CV-week1, number 1. Click enter. Preferably log in with Google, otherwise you might need to message us in order for us to enable you to join. So log in with Google. You can't see on my screen, but on your screen another pop-up will show up where you log in with your email. And there we are for our week 1 FlipGrid learning section. So if you scroll down a bit, you can see icebreakers and 2 topics. These are the topics for the week. So we've got icebreakers and then Bill's Word of the Day. We'll stay on icebreakers for now. The icebreaker for this week is 2 truths and a lie. And so after you read the instructions here, you can scroll down, and for this week we'll introduce ourselves and tell 2 truths and a lie about ourselves, and then you can watch the other participants' videos and see if you can figure out the lie. So I'm going to watch this persons. Hey everyone, this is Alex. I'm the trip director here at Camp Voyager. This is my 5th year here. And so 3 things about me. One is that I've met Donald Trump before. 2 is that I hold the jump roping record for 5th grade at the elementary school I went to. And 3 is that I have eaten kangaroo before. So now you have to decide which one is a lie. Good luck. So after watching the video, you can click reply here and then record your reply. I'm going to allow this to use my microphone and my camera and record which one I think is a lie. Hey Alex, nice to meet you. I think that you don't hold the jump roping record. I've seen you jump rope. Nice to meet you. You can click next, take a picture to go along with your video. And that's how you respond. Write your name. Submit video. Congratulations to myself. Hey everyone, this is... And there we are there. Alright, next, after viewing everyone's video, you can click up topics here, go to Bill's Word of the Day. Word of the Day of the week. Read the instructions. You can click play here to watch Bill's video.
Hi gang, this is Bill, and it's a great day.
It's a great day in the North Woods. Alright, so you watch his video, and then you can close out, scroll down, look at other people's responses, as well as clicking the green button to add your own response. For the word of the day, the response is you using it in a sentence. That's all, folks.
Well, that's all the news we have here for you tonight, folks. And I'm Jack Diedrich.
And I'm Mikey Mavis, and you're watching CVTV.
Good
Night!